Welcome to Dunder Data Pandas Challenge number 4. These are daily exercises to challenge your Pandas skills. Take all of the challenges at python.dunderdata.com. So for all of these challenges, we're going to read in the data set in the first cell. So we've read in the employee data set. Notice that there is a hire date column over here, which we'll be using. So the challenge says to return the first 10 employees hired from March 1st, 2010. Used kind equals merge sort if sorting. Okay, so we look over here. It looks like the data set is not sorted by the hire date. So we might want to sort the data first and then select all of the employees greater than March 1st, 2010. Or we can select the employees greater than March 1st, 2010 and then sort. So we can just choose one. This is a one-line solution down here. So we'll take our data frame and we can actually use the query method to say we want the hire date to be greater than or equal to March 1st, 2010. So this is how we do that. So let's go ahead and just execute this. This is not the solution, of course. We want the first 10 just so that we can see what it returns. And we will execute this cell to actually test our function. So it does return all employees greater than March 1st, 2010. But what we need to do is sort this first by hire date so that we can just get the first 10. And the way to do this in Pandas is with the sort values method. So we will do that. We have to say which column we want to sort it by. That's hire date. And the instructions say to use kind equals merge sort. So the reason to do this is that it creates a stable sort. So that if you have like one employee that's over here with the same exact hire date as an employee down here, they will remain in the same order. You won't have employees switch around that have the same hire date. So merge sort is a type of stable sort. So that's important whenever there are ties. And then we just need to take the first 10 rows like that. So, and if you want to shorten the line a little bit, we can put these on multiple lines. So a lot of times I like to just line up the dots so that we can see what's going on. So in this line we are running the query. We're only looking at employees that have a hire date after March 1st, 2010. Here we are sorting by the hire date, and then the last step is that we are just taking the first 10. So let's go ahead and take a look at this. And here we go. These are all should be from 2010 or March 1st, 2010, and it looks like it is done correctly. Let's go ahead and view the solution. And this looks like they line up. And the search statement verifies that these two data frames are exactly equal. And since there's no error, we can confirm that. All right, so that is the solution to Pandas challenge number 4. If you enjoyed this challenge and would like to learn more, then come check out my books and courses at dunderdata.com. I provide a comprehensive path for mastering both Python and Pandas to produce trusted results. Below I have a few of my courses. Exercise Python will teach you the fundamentals of Python. Master Data Analysis with Python is an extremely comprehensive course that will teach you everything there is to know about using the Pandas library to do data analysis. And then my newest course is Build an Interactive Data Analytics Dashboard with Python, which is a really fun and exciting course and teaches you all the steps for launching your very own dashboard with Python.